In this video, we're helping somebody out, so make sure you guys like the video and comment down below if this is good or a bad idea, so this video can get the push out that it deserves. This is from the OCD Workshop company on YouTube, so go check them out if you like this, or you want to tell them what you think about it, or you want to reach out and tell them what they could do differently. I think that it's pretty close to being perfect. We're going to talk about that, the good, bad, and ugly of it. This is the base here. Pay attention to this screw hole because they provide the screws for us and they line up perfectly with the brass insert there. And yeah, the attention to detail on this is actually really impressive. So lines right up in there, snaps positively, and as you can see, we had some amazing stability there from this driver that we don't usually see without this base. So obviously that's what it's for. He's probably like me and likes to tinker in the workshop, and he has to lay his impact or his installation driver flat, as we all do. And frankly, probably got tired of it. So I think it's pretty cool. This is how I end up having to lay my tool down, and I don't like laying my tools down especially if I'm building something and it's like not a crazy environment and I'm just in my workshop. I would love to be able to set my tools upright, and now we can. So we've got two different bases here, one for the extended capacity and one for the standard batteries, and you can see the level of stability here is completely unmatched versus without the adapter. This might not even stay. Okay, so let me show you this. Yeah, it doesn't take much. So if you got the bigger battery, standing that up is not an option. Now, if you got the smaller battery, standing up works fairly well, and then that's why I resort to the smaller battery. We got some magnets on the side. We got some bit storage on the side, and this one has the bit storage right here for the smaller bits. Me personally, I use my middle finger to pull the trigger here. This actuates, and then you got your speed here. We still maintain all of the magnetic storage stock on the front. Light stays accessible. Really, really nice for the workshop. That's my honest opinion there. Pay attention to the cleat right there so we get some added stability. You know, all in all, I think it's a pretty nice design. If we take this one here, you can see where this battery is just a little bit too short now. So it's definitely designed for the larger capacity. Pop that on there. Good to go. I think I would like to see a variation of the two where we still get the really awesome stability, but this is a little bit shorter. I like the stability factor of it just as much as I like the storage capacity that we gain there. We've also got the adapter here, which is kind of a nice little touch, honestly. It's a little dust cup, so if you're drilling sheetrock or something, this will catch your dust down below. You're drilling up here, hopefully it catches your dust. It's kind of cool, and then it's got some little magnets for storage, so maybe this needs to get the push out that it deserves. Go to CD Workshop on YouTube, and we'll see you guys in the next one.